Where do you guys think we should go?
They picked you.
I like that one.
You think we should book it?
Yes.
Out of all the places they could have stayed, they picked you. So let's make their stay something to remember. Let's make checking in seamless, day or night, where all they need is a code. You don't even have to be there. And when they walk in,
Whoa.
let's make it perfect. Give them everything they need. Let's give you control, so you know when they arrive, how their stay's going, how the rest of your portfolio's doing, and whether you need to reach out or not. And when it's time for them to leave,
I don't want to go yet.
Oh, me neither. This was fun, wasn't it?
let's make it a little easier. And then let's get ready for the next guest. It's more than just about managing properties. It's about making every visit something to remember. Because they picked you. So let's make them want to pick you again.
We should go back every year.